This website is going to change your life forever. It shows you opportunities that can give you the life and the income that you want. It finds products that are just about to go viral, and once they do go viral, they start making millions of dollars. And you can sell these products. It's that easy. Like this coffee. It's actually mushroom coffee that gives you all the benefits of functional mushrooms. We found it back in October of 2019, and then it blew up. Now it's making over $250,000 every single month. So if you want some of that profit, you have to find these products before the big brands do. How? I'm going to show you right now. So hit subscribe if this is the kind of content that you have been looking for. One biotech breakthrough is rewriting the rules of skincare, and it's already pulling in $161,000 every single month by delivering results that historically were only possible in a high-end clinic. It's called Exosome serum. Exosomes are nano-sized vesicles released by your cells carrying proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids that help with tissue repair. If this sounds like gibberish, don't worry, because the important thing is that clinical studies have shown that they can actually boost your skin barrier in just 2 weeks and visibly reduce hyperpigmentation in just 8 weeks. They're not just moisturizing. They're delivering potent regenerative signals to tackle deep cellular repair. This is a next generation skincare product, and you can be one of the first to sell it before it starts making millions of dollars. So, you know the product now, let's find out who you have to sell it to in order to start raking it in. The consumers that are going to make you the most money on this product are sophisticated skincare aficionados, often age 35 plus, and are willing to pay a premium for that science-grade skincare product. They see skincare not as just a routine, but a long-term investment in their cellular health. Wellness enthusiasts, skincare professionals, and of course, luxury skincare lovers. Basically, women who already invest in high-end beauty treatments and anti-aging solutions. The winning strategy here isn't just selling a product, it's selling science. Just look at Muesli. Their ads lead with this killer hook: Nobel Prize-winning exosome technology. It instantly establishes this huge authority. Other brands like Skin Science and Exocell Bio are carving out a brilliant niche by positioning their serums as essential post-procedure care. It's perfect. It's this high-margin add-on to people who are already spending a lot of money on surgical treatments, microneedling, etc. Their ads also feature dermatologists explaining how the science works, lending instant credibility. The overall message is clear. It's a clinical breakthrough that you can now use at home. These serums have already had a 207% spike in search growth in the last 6 months alone. That is rare. Here's the kicker. Most big brands are still sitting on the sidelines because of these regulatory gray areas. And until everything is approved, that leaves a huge opportunity for you, the nimble Shopify store who can start selling this and making bank today. This next product is pulling in $20K a month, literally just by reinventing a piece of technology that we use every single day. Meet the Hall Effect keyboard. It is a game-changing keyboard that swaps these mechanical switches for magnetic sensors. No contact means no wear, insane precision, and actuation points as low as 0.1 millimeter versus the standard 2 millimeters. Translation, faster response, unmatched durability, and customization so advanced it's like giving every key a turbo button. So, what demographic are you going to sell this one to? Competitive gamers are going to be your golden goose. Anywhere from age 18 to 35 who are not afraid to drop between $80 and $250 for that competitive edge. Tech professionals are also jumping in on this one, hooked on that buttery smooth typing and near infinite lifespan. So, what do all the successful ads have in common for this product? It boils down to 2 benefits: speed and control. You'll see phrases like ultra-fast actuation, designed for productivity and performance. The visual hook is almost always that keyboard's aggressive cyberpunk aesthetic, shown with this dramatic high-contrast RGB lighting. It really appeals to that gamer desire to have this personalized high-tech battle station. The copy is intentionally loaded with a bunch of technical jargon like 8K polling rate and 0.005 millimeter RT precision. That shows you the audience is really technical people. Now, this Hall Effect market is surging with 4,900% search growth, and it's got YouTube and TikTok buzzing. Big gamer brands like Logitech, Corsair, and SteelSeries are just getting started in releasing these models, which means the clock is ticking. Right now, smaller ecom brands really do have a great opportunity to start ranking for some of these keywords and phrases, so start making as much content as you can if this is the one that you want to sell. Here's something wild. A product that's raking in over $300,000 every single month that looks like it belongs in a boba tea shop, not on your bathroom shelf. Meet Collagen Jelly Cream. This ain't grandma's heavy night cream. We're talking about a gel-like texture that delivers hydrolyzed collagen, niacinamide, and squalane in a lightweight formula that actually penetrates skin instead of sitting on top. The jelly allows for quick absorption while delivering supercharged hydration. And that coveted glass skin effect, that's crazy in K-beauty right now. So you've got the product, now let's talk about demographics. This is gonna generally be women between age 25 and 40 who are obsessed with achieving that glass skin type of glow, but they're tired of those heavy, greasy formulas. What's more, collagen jelly cream is like designed for TikTok or viral marketing. Its super unique texture, its vibrant colors are just perfect for video marketing. Not to mention the results that it delivers can actually be visibly seen, which is the cherry on top. It's the same reason that gummies outsell capsule supplements. It's the same reason that liquid supplements are about to take over gummies. People are starting to equate something that's visually interesting to something that's actually effective. Brands like Medicube absolutely dominate by showcasing their PDRN pink collagen capsule cream with those super satisfying capsule popping moments. It's just skincare ASMR. Misty Glam takes a different angle, positioning their jelly cream as an injection-free alternative. That taps into this massive market of people who are needle averse or maybe don't want to pay for a big clinical treatment, but still want those results. What it's also doing is subtly in the mind of the consumer, telling them that this is just as effective as a surgical treatment, but you don't need the needles to do it. The smartest brands are leveraging ingredient storytelling, calling out hydrolyzed collagen, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid not just as boring chemicals, but as this power trio for plump and dewy skin. This product's got a 4,750% search growth with only a 6.6K search volume, which is super low for how fast this one is set to grow. That means jump on this one now. Why? The social proof is already there. As far as channels go where you should start your marketing, TikTok is definitely leading the charge, followed by a strong performance on Instagram. The product is literally made for this content-driven skincare market. Jellies are the new wave of skincare delivery, and this product is at the forefront. So if you're looking for a skincare product to start marketing or selling right now, this is the one. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, name any niche in the comments below and I'll give you a free trending product. No questions asked. If you want more videos like this, let me know what niche you'd like me to dive deeper into. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.